Hey, Henry McClure live today. Mr. Dunaway, you're seeing through all the mess. Good eyes. Here's the thing about the hotel. This is where I go off the charts angry is that they signed a contract with a company for 540,000, 554,000, 554,000 to tell them how to be in the hotel business. Now, a real estate broker that's knows that knows his way around the hotel business could literally advise them. But here's the point: is they've got no business being in the hotel business. It doesn't matter. You got to let the market decide. The county commissioners were smart enough to sidestep this, and then the city council people, who are smarter than everybody, think that they got to fucking control this. They're choking the market. Uh, Between the Greater Topeka Chamber of Commerce and Go Topeka trying to create a market. And then Doug Bassett just sent me a note. He's one of the top commercial real estate guys. Um, why are you running for county commission? You can't make a living in this town. There's this guy named Howard Paul who's a very successful developer. He got turned down for the second Brahms deal in in Topeka up on Highway 24. And not only did he get turned down, he started investigating some of the stuff going on in Topeka. And he has some interest in some banks here. So he's got really good knowledge. And he's saying there were 11 deals that didn't get funded because they couldn't get building permits in Topeka, Kansas. Now, I believe that because I'm almost 2 years into the whole thing. So, my point to everybody is why in the hell are we trying to attract new business here when the people that live here don't like it? It's like in the mall days. You know, you're the retailers would go walk through the mall, and based on some of the responses they'd get, oh man, I'll never forget. Well, anyway, um, no, I will never forget because Mace said you have to have long numbers. You have to have a long memory. You got to have long numbers too. But because the longer the number, the more you get paid. It's terrible. We've got to get the government out of our business. We've got to get the government out of our business. I mean, it's a bunch of people, and maybe, okay, what do I offer? Well, for 44 years I've been in the real estate business, and I've never been on government assistance until I took my Social Security. I took it early, and paid in a lot of Social Security over my lifetime, and I'm at a point that if I just would live humbly, I'd actually don't even need to work, which is perfect for Topeka because they you got to. I'm painted into a corner. Um, if you own the real estate and control the economic development money, well, you're not going to come to Henry McClure. What can you do for me? You're going to go to the government because the government wants to choke us. I don't think that they bought the hotel so they could put migrants in there, but um, perception is reality. So they're dancing around with all this stuff for the Wall Street Journal, and everybody's trying to drive home the point of Governor Abbot. I support Governor Abbott. I stand with Governor Abbott. The federal government shouldn't be down there opening up what he's trying to close. It's wrong. People don't really go back and think about the monarchs, and there's no difference in the federal government and sometimes the monarchy. And look how I think there's a lot of corruption, whether you like Trump or not. Uh, Voting to keep or going through lawsuits to keep your opponent off the ballot is not democracy. I think Trump would look better with a crew cut. Hey, you, you're taking your hair way too seriously. And everybody's jealous because he played the game. He was on the inside track. Yeah, he's getting concrete in New York when nobody else was. He's paying, pay to play. He knows the system. That's why they all hate him. He knows the corruption. And and he should have just fired more people. Whatever. This isn't about Trump and Biden right now. It's about Governor Abbott trying to maintain safety in his state. And I stand with Governor Abbott. Kind of ranting. I haven't had anything to eat today. So that's for you, Mr. Dunaway. Hey, follow me on YouTube.